Hey, what's up YouTube? JB here again at another Nike outlet vlog. We're here at Long Beach at the Pike outlets at the shoreline. It's been about 4 months since the last time I visited here. Last time I copped a couple of shoes. This time I just want to see what they have in store. It is the end of the month of October, so let's go and see. Come and follow me. Alright, just a quick look at the big size. Let's go see what they have in stock. So for big footers, they have these AG1 inspired Jordan Apex React. There you go. Size 14, 190 though, but there is the 30% off. Okay, let's see what else they have. They have these KDs in the bread colorway, black, white, retail price though. Yeah, these ones, KD 13s, 60. Another one, KD 13, size 14. There are these 220s at 104 minus 30, so it's $70 for this one. Alright, for size 10.5. They have these fake Jordan black cement golf shoes. There it is. 140 minus 30. And they have these Giannis 2 Freak 2s, 130. And then the Nike Soft BB4s in this colorway. Alright, let's go check the smaller sizes. Alright guys, a quick look at the smaller sizes from 10 to 8. Let's see anything that stands out for you guys. And you have these Kyrie 6, or actually Kyrie 3 lows in this colorway. The Airspan 2s in the blue, dust white. It's actually a pretty good shoe. Going for $95 though. Got it cheaper, so. They have these Element 87 Antrite colorway, 109 minus 30%. A couple more of the 2090s in the USA. And they have the Metcon on display here in the aisle. So in the smaller sizes, size 8, they have this Jordan Crater. Retail though. So 105 after discounts. Alright, so they have these again, the Air Zoom Type, the N354. It looks like a Sakai type hybrid. 150 minus 30%. And they have these, someone returned these, the ISPA Drifter Gator retail price though. So this is has the sleeve that goes all the way up your leg. A quick look at the basketball wall. They have these Mamba Focus in the black colorway Antrite set. And these have been showing up at the outlets. The Kobe 80 Next FF. Full retail though. And then right next to it, they have Jumpman, the Team Jordan 2. Basically, it's like a Jordan 13 hybrid, and then they have these Metamorph utilities. Just gonna do a quick rundown in the aisles. You do have the Phantom Venom FG soccer cleats, the Superfly Club FGMG with additional 30%, the Club FGMG in this colorway, the black and black Noir, $24.97 plus 30% off, so that's basically around $16. And they have SB, a couple of Element 55s, the Ghost Swift. Man, it's gone down in price, so it's around $28. Alright guys, here, I'm gonna go check to see the women's aisle. Let's go. Alright guys, a quick pan of the women's section. We're at the bigger sizes, and then it goes down from there. I don't see much that really stands out, but let's look. the Nike Daybreak, $64.99 in this colorway, size 12. Let's see, there's a Metcon 6, another Daybreak, you guys. And next to it, they have these 720s in this colorway, which is $79.99. So 8, 24 bucks, so 56 bucks. So they have these Air Zoom Super Reps in this, the funky form factor. Which one is this? And they're Metcon 5 print. And in the women's section, they have these displays, the backpack, and joyrides and other shoes. So I do go down the aisles really quick. Just your typical running shoes for Nike outlet. I guess in a quick look at the kids section, I do see a LeBron 17 or 16 in this colorway, 99 6.5Y. They have a lot of the Nike React Prestos in this colorway. Another LeBron. Looks like they have a Space Hippie. A size 7. I think this is misplaced. I think this should be like in the women's team. Yeah. They have a lot of these Kyrie 6 for the kids. They have these ISPAs, the one that Kanye wore. Kid size though, or men size 4, or 5.5 men. 210 minus 20% off. Alright, before I go, I'm just going to show you have backpacks here. They're all 30% off. And of course, they have JDI slides, you guys. Alright, I think I'm going to call it a day. There's not much heat in the back wall here. Alright guys, thank you again for joining me here at another Nike Outlet vlog. This time we're at the Pike outlets in Long Beach. Go Lakers, go Dodgers. And went full hype today. Had the Storm Blue Unions. Alright guys, if you like this type of content, comment, like, share down below. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I do try to post a video 1 to 2 a week. Alright guys, until the next video, peace.